Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. Alright, so I have supposedly 3 128s that are working. Supposedly. Now this one, once in a while, it has a bit of a hesitation to it. I wonder what I heard that noise. Let's try again. I heard that noise. Okay, so we're up. We'll go to 40. Go to 40. We'll go 64. Oops. Yes. Alright, we're going to turn this off. Hello. Power out. Power out. Video out. Video out. Okay. Okay. So this is the one that I was successfully testing things in. And that can go down there. Now, this is very yellowed. Power is off. So, find it's best not to try to stick these things in blind. But sometimes you can get her done. Alright, we're going to go to 80. No, we'll stick on 40. Turn this on. Up it comes. We'll say go 64. Say yes. Oh, shift lock. No, the caps lock is down. Go 64. Yes. Push down the 4080. Click the reset. Click over here. Okay. So that is good. So indeed, and this one is all secured and buttoned up. But boy, is it ever yellow. Like I think, like okay, here's the back of a 128. Here's what this one looks like. Yeah, they're but not all the keys are equally yellowed, and that was too part of the thing. Okay, so now that's a good. That's a good. Now, okay, so we're going to set this down here, and then we'll plug this one in. Power is off. Let's see here. There we go. Oh yeah. Not a good thing. Especially with this connector. To try to do this without looking. And then it flips over. Okay. We're in. So turn it on. Chances are we're in 40. Here we are. Go 64. Yes. 4080. Switch the button. Press the reset switch. Up we go. And print quote 2. The world of Commodore space quote semicolon, colon, go to 10. There we are, world of Commodore, world of Commodore, world of Commodore, world of Commodore. And we can stop it with the no scroll button. Isn't that cool? Commodore key will slow it down. World of Commodore, world of Commodore, world of Commodore, world of Commodore. Isn't it lovely? All right. So this is the machine that I can't really test. That's working. This is the one I use to test things. Oh, okay. This is the one that is very likely. It's the 8502 chip. Probably. What's this? Ugh. Not working. Screen flash. Nice case. Not working. 43. Okay. So it looks like we have another machine to start on. How's this one looking? Actually, this one looks quite lovely. It's not working. It's not working. All right. And it's going to take a lot of screws. Now I'm here. Oh. Let me have a look here. Before I start opening up other things, what have I got? Okay, I've got a 128 case. It's missing things. Ah, here is one. Fully unpopulated. But the power switch works. And what is this? This is one that is fully unpopulated. But the power switch works. Okay. You know what? I think, as I'm setting things carefully down here, I think what I'm going to do in the next video is populate this from there. And this one, which needs to be opened up, can wait. So I will unplug, I will unplug, I will unplug, I will put this working 128 down here. And I will prepare to populate. I will still need to steal a 6526 chip from somewhere, which I could, of course, get from a Commodore 64. Anyway, now, check the power switch, yes. Alright, I'm just looking to make sure I have everything. I should have everything, except the 6526. And so, we should be good to go. Anyway, is there anything I wrote on this? Nope, nothing. Ooh, this little wire. The little wire that's on all 128s, the hot glue, is rather deficient. It should be okay. Alright, time to depopulate and populate. See you next time. Bye for now.